Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome once again to this evening of Indian classical music and dance here at Sacred Heart Public School in the outskirts of Jammu city. As you know, this evening is being hosted by Sacred Heart Public School in association with in-house Jammu Music Academy and Vishakhapatnam based Tarakeshwara Foundation to commemorate the foundation day of the school as well as that of Sri Krishna Dhyana Mandir that falls on the 21st of April every year. Our next performance is a Bharatanatyam Jugal Bandi by Srimati Sneha Narayan and her husband Sri Yogesh Kumar Somanna from Bengaluru. Vidwan Yogesh Kumar and Vidushi Sneha Narayan are young, full-time performing artists in the field of Bharatanatyam. They are the founder directors of Nartana Yoga Foundation and Kala Snehi Trust based in Bengaluru. While Yogesh Kumar learnt his Bharatanatyam from his guru Sri Satyanarayana Raju, Sneha Narayan had her Bharatanatyam training under the discipleship of gurus Srimati Bhanumati and Srimati Sheila Chandrasekhar. Both Yogesh Kumar and Sneha Narayan are A-grade artists of Doordarshan. They are on the panel of Indian Council of Cultural Research under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Parallelly, they have Vidvat and Visharad degrees in Bharatanatyam. They are also trained yoga instructors. The blessed couple has been performing extensively both in India and abroad. In USA alone, they have performed in more than 15 US states over the last 2 consecutive years. Elsewhere, they have performed and conducted lecture demonstration workshops on Bharatanatyam in Russia, Armenia, Bosnia, Hungary, Malaysia, and Qatar. Bharatanatyam is one of the 8 major classical dance forms of India recognized by Sangeet Natak Academy under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. It first originated in the state of Tamil Nadu. Over the years, Bharatanatyam has become popular all over India. In today's performance, the duo will present 3 items. They will begin their performance with the Ardhanarishwara aspect of Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati. It will then be followed by their presentation of the childhood Leelas of Lord Krishna. The recital will conclude with the depiction of the powers and valors of Lord Anuman. Let's now sit back and enjoy their performance. Over now to Vidwan Sri Yogesh Kumar Somanna and Vidushi Srimati Sneha Narayan from Bengaluru.
Mara pranams to everyone and Swamiji, also elder here, and the sacred school, also the Tarakeshwara Foundation. For this wonderful opportunity, we bow to every dignitary here and then start our performance. आज हम अर्धनारीश्वर स्तुति से आरंभ करते हैं. सब जानते हैं शिव पार्वती हमारा यूनिवर्सल गॉड्स, they are the god of the universe as father and mother. So we can see the amalgamation of both energetic and graceful. उद्धत एंड सुकुमार का प्रयोग हम इधर देख रहे हैं. ये बहुत सुंदर का कृति है. मुत्तुस्वामी दीक्षित का रचन एंड कुमुद क्रिया राग में संयोजित हुआ है. ताल रूपक ताल में आयोजन किया है. Let us see and then enjoy Ardhanarishwara. As we see, being human, we have to stronger for some reasons and some situations, and also we have to be very graceful, sensitive in our lives. We can see that tattva in this particular performance. Ardhanarishwaram Aradhayami Satatam.
Sadatam Atri Bhugavasi Shadi Bhuri Buddha
एनर्जी एंड ग्रेसफुलनेस। अभी चलते हैं अब सबका चाइल्डहुड डेज के लिए। हमको याद है हमारा बचपन कैसे था और क्या क्या मिस्चीवियस का कार्य हम किया है, वो सभी कृष्ण भी किया है। और एक्चुअली वी ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम कृष्णा's चाइल्डहुड ओनली टू स्टील समथिंग एंड टू ईट समथिंग एंड देन टू एंजॉय द लाइफ its fullest form. So we will see Krishna is playing with his friends. कृष्णा सब दोस्तों के साथ बॉल प्ले कर रहा है और बटर स्टील कर रहा है। ये सभी हम इधर इस कृति में जानते हैं और वी कैन एंजॉय एट इट्स फुल लाइफ with lot of love, respect and care. This is what our culture always denotes. The Indian culture is always entertaining and also educative, because here we not only see the entertainment but we also get education, the moral in it. So that is what we want to spread all over our lives, because we and my husband Yogesh has been dedicated our lives to this particular beautiful art form. Let us see and immerse in the joy of childhood days of Sri Krishna. Jai Sri Krishna. And also
ವೃಂದ ವೃಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಂದರಾಂಗನ ಸುಂದರಿಯರ ಹಿಂದು ಮುಂದಿನಲಿ 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 ಅಂದದ ಕಳ ಚಂದ ಕರುಗಳ ಮಂದೆ ಮಂದೆಯಲಿ ಅಂದದ ಕಳ ಚಂದ ಕರುಗಳ ಮಂದೆ ಮಂದೆಯಲಿ.
How was it, everybody? Thank you so much. This we always want, because for an artist, if our audience are happy, we will be fulfilled for that day, and our job is fulfilled, or we feel satisfied, because this is what the artists actually want. And even when we perform abroad, even when they don't know who is Krishna, who is Rama, and know nothing about Indian culture, but they still like it because we make that choreography or samyojan, nritya samyojan, so सबके लिए अच्छे होता है और they can understand, उसको समझ सकता है भी. So this is what our culture says, and we all move to the next beautiful another Devaranama is about Hanuman. We all have seen recently the Ayodhya Sthapana, and Rama is with us. So, and his valor, his thoughts, he is a Purushottama. So how can we not be able to remember Hanuman when we talk about Rama? So it is one and the same soul. So now we will see how valor, how powerful. So Hanuman is nothing lesser than Spider-Man or Iron Man today. So this is what we have to spread to the children. So Hanuman got to know his power only when he sees Rama. How Hanuman realizes what his strength when he is chanting Rama's Nama. So he could jump over the sea. Just in one jump, he will just jump over from India to Lanka and defeat Ravana's ego. And then he will become the bridge between Rama and Sita's unite. So this is what we see in this particular episode. So the Sita Mata and the Hanuman and Rama, all the characters we will see alive on stage. Hanumanta Devanam, Raga Purvi Kalyani, set to Aditana.
ವನಧಿಯನು ದಾಟಿ ದಾನವರ ದಂಡಿಸಿದ ವನಧಿಯನು ದಾಟಿ ದಾನವರ ದಂಡಿಸಿದ ರಾಮಭೃತ್ಯನು ನಿನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾರು ಗುರುವೇ ರಾಮಭೃತ್ಯನು ನಿನಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾರು ಗುರುವೇ ಹನುಮಂತ ದೇವನ ನಮೋ ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರ ಕಟ್ಟಾಳಾಗಿ ನೀ ನಡೆದೆ, ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರ ಕಟ್ಟಾಳಾಗಿ ನೀ ನಡೆದೆ. ಭೂಮಿಜೆಗೆ ಮುದ್ರೆಯುಂಗುರವೀತೆ, ಭೂಮಿಜೆಗೆ ಮುದ್ರೆಯುಂಗುರವೀತೆ ರಾಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣರ. ರಾಮ